Alright. Pistol only?
So pistols only?
I already got more.
Yes, but no duels. Like the dual like Diamates, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. No dual those. Those are too OP as well. Okay, I'm gonna use. I mean, you can use the AM. You can use all of them. Just the only thing that is like off limits would be the marshals, obviously, and anything, and you can't duel them because that's
Which
like
one?
too OP.
How about the
No,
Magnum?
I mean,
You can use any of them, but just not dual.
Yeah, I mean, AMP is a fully auto. I mean, so is the Diamates, but I'm gonna use that one instead. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna use the 119. I want my trigger finger going up heavy.
Let me know when y'all ready.
That's the 119, the Magnum?
The regular one, yeah, the first one, the first pistol.
Oh, the first one?
Yeah.
It doesn't say.
I'm gonna use Ocean Breeze because it's pink and blue. Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready, Rasheen? And Lala? When y'all two ready, let me know.
Alright, you going for not last, right?
Yeah, whoever last, but gotta buy something. Yo, what he should buy the last person?
Oh,
On the
fuck.
list. Yeah, let's make a challenge. Whoever last gotta buy something.
I got.
When we all get to,
I like that
when we all
option.
get together.
I don't think I'm taking it easy on y'all fuckers. This is a little bit nerve-wracking now because they got snipers, yo.
That's my favorite pistol, like though.
I was going to, but I was like, nah, that's gonna be a little bit too.
Yeah, I have to reload.
No, I had to reload.
Yo, no tomahawk, like, what's up with you, man?
Oh man, you scared the shit out of me. Nigga says Sasuke. Better run scavenger, my boy. That's the only way you can get your bullets back. Thought you was like one in the chamber, my
Yo,
boy.
my aim is fucking so basura, bro. Like,
Right to being shit. No!
I got you while you was low.
Yeah, because I used my still ready, so I was pissed. I was like, nah. You're lucky I had to reload. I should have put extended mags on this bitch. I only got 12 bullets.
I didn't say.
I hate that turnaround shit, bro. I don't know who you're talking to.
Dang it.
Out the door.
yo, bro, this burst is not doing no damage right now, mo.
Emotional damage.
I just try to get my kill in front of me.
Alright, no, Kelvin. No. I was going to as well, but I literally stood there. Yo, nigga, Kelvin.
Yo, bro, this shit annoying, bro. I had to, like...
No way!
Ah, you lagging.
Nah, that's fucking, bro. The recording.
I'm telling you, bro. You gotta beat y'all meat, bro. That's how you get a faster finger, bro. I'll be my shit 24/7, bro.
I got a burst. Nigga, like,
Bro, I literally ran right in. I tried to tackle Leslie.
Yeah, you did. You did. I'm getting faster. I'm getting faster.
Oh my god, Rashim. Maybe panic a little
Lucky, I
bit.
swear I was about to punch you.
One of y'all niggas is not running ghosts, just saying.
yo, my.
Moved everywhere. The hip fire was not it for me. everybody at, yo?
Been stuck in 14.
I just can't find anybody.
Nah, this birds, yo, but I'm about to, yeah. Let me put the 1911 bro first, bro. This birds is.
Yo, Rasheed, bro. Those magnums are crazy, bro. They're like 2 shots if you know how to aim, bro.
I missed.
Yeah, let me put the magnum, that shit real quick. Let me put the 1911.
Fighting Rasheed is like fighting my worst nightmare, bro. Fucking magnums, bro. Damn it. No, can you stop fucking running away, man? I didn't give you tape.
Damn, Lala, you. You
I'm
right.
reloading.
Die! What? I missed all my shots. I hit Leslie once.
Damn, David, you put. Oh, like,
I was trying to. Who did I kill? Who did I just kill?
Who was in front of me?
on top.
I
when you was about
no.
to go on
I
the
went
fight,
to
you killed
kill
me,
Leslie.
nigga.
I went to kill Leslie and I killed Rasheed.
Oh yeah. Look at me real quick. I went stupid this house.
Someone died in front of me.
No cap, damn. I should have started. I should
Yeah,
have started
Rasheed
with the
died in front of
1911, but no cap, bro.
Shoulda, bro.
Yeah, that bird
Does he have a
shit is
trigger
hella
finger, bro?
hard to control the recoil, my nigga.
Huh?
After you shoot that one shot mode, that shit go up.
Rasheed, what happened? Well, you basically actually I
Just
probably,
punch, you know?
I mean, yeah, you could punch, but fists, you gotta like restrict the thing, restrict the weapon, I think, because I don't know if you can actually put your fist. It's not like Black Ops 3. Oh my god, bro, the boxing gloves, bro, in Black Ops 3 was funny. And I loved how they interacted. Left trigger was left hand, right trigger was right hand, bro.
Unity is strength. Isolate and destroy.
I already got the first kill. We got boom. First.
I didn't know. Leslie, you're gonna use the Gallo, by the way.
Hmm?
You're using the Gallo.
Huh?
Boom!
I'm using the one you thought I was gonna use.
Yes, bro, I'm using
Bro,
my
I didn't
best
even
friend.
see you.
Yo, what the? I wish I could spawn with the shotgun, bro. I got. Alright.
Yeah, you gotta switch that.
This might be a challenge for me, I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know what shotgun.
Turn around, my boy.
Okay, that was the shotgun we should have been like, nah, but it's not allowed.
What, the Gallo? I mean, the Howler? The Howler? Whatever,
The one
77?
that is like a sniper take shit, man. I forgot that name. I think Mario using it.
That's a sniper shotgun, really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one shoots at Type 4.
I don't know, that scares you.
Yeah.
My shotgun with a hit marker.
I know that scares you.
Enemy spy plane inbound.
What? I missed?
Bro, David, like, yo.
No, I told you my hit marker, bro. I gotta get like, I have to like juke this
I
nigga's
use a
ankles,
sniper.
bro. Yo, who tossing that shit? We got blasted!
Yo, when you miss my annoying, bro.
Broke your ankles, Marcy. Behind you.
Damn, I didn't even get to let my bullet out.
Oh, okay, no. Mario catching up now. I gotta pay my big boy pants. I had no HP. Totally shotgun crazy, bro.
Bro.
That's what it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yo, like, this nigga just came out of nowhere, like.
I had to reload. Not that one.
Like, God,
What the
shot.
shotgun, bro. God damn.
The way he killed.
Can't lose.
I missed you so many times.
Yo, bye, take this pussy.
Oh, bro, I don't want to lose. Not the shotgun. There is no way in hell I missed them shit.
Yo, this nigga has to come from behind,
You
bro.
ain't winning.
That's the only way.
Let's go!
Nah.
Oh, Mario was about to win, yo, nah. If I had, yo, nah, yo, bro, Mario, you know what? I got my street, it was
My
my
heart
fixing your weapon up.
racing with that shot at me.
Yeah. That's a shit shotgun sniper.
No, it don't. Not really.
Nah, that.
He takes one hit. I have to take two.